Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl is one of the most popular authors of children's books in the world. Some of his most famous books include James and the Giant Peach, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Fantastic Mr. Fox, George's Marvellous Medicine, and Matilda. Roald Dahl was born in Wales on the 13th of September 1916. He had 3 sisters. His parents were Norwegian. They named him after the famous Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen. Roald didn't like school much, so when he turned 18, he decided not to go to university. When he left school in 1934, he went to work for Shell Oil. Dahl wanted to travel, so he was pleased when the company sent him to East Africa in 1938. He worked there until the Second World War started. In November 1939, Dahl joined the Royal Air Force and learned to fly. He was sent to Libya, and in September 1940, his plane crashed. He was badly hurt, and it took him 6 months to recover. Although he couldn't fly anymore, Dahl was still able to help the war effort. In 1942, he was sent to Washington, D.C. to work for the Secret Intelligence Service. There, he began to write stories. In 1951, he met his future wife, an American actress called Patricia Neal. They married in 1953 and had 5 children together. The two separated in 1983, and Roald got remarried the same year to British film producer Felicity Dahl. Roald was also an inventor. In December 1960, Roald Dahl's 5-month-old son was involved in a serious accident that gave him a head injury called hydrocephalus, or water on the brain. Following the accident, Dahl helped to invent what became known as the Road Dahl till valve, which continues to save thousands of children with the same condition. In 1961, his first book, James and the Giant Peach, was published. Roald went on to publish many more successful children's books. Dahl wrote his stories in a writing hut in the garden of his house, which nobody was allowed to enter. He died in Oxford on 23rd of November 1990, aged 74. Now, I hope you will be inspired to read his books. It's time to go and explore the world of Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. Thank you for watching.